Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at a project called CrypGPT, a blockchain project that combines AI, Web3 technology and crypto infrastructure. Recently, the CrypGPT token has been listed on exchanges like Biconomy and MEXC where it's already available for trading. Another upcoming development is a planned listing on the BingX exchange, which can increase visibility for the project within the crypto market, and that listing is happening on the March of 16th. Also, the project is planning tier 1 exchange listings such as Binance and Bybit. So when the token gets listed on bigger exchanges, it usually increases liquidity and visibility, which can lead to strong price growth. Also, I want to mention the burn event which happened on the March of 12th, where approximately 50 million of the tokens were burned, which reduce supply and positively impact the price. Also, 68.75% of the total supply is locked on the pink sale for almost 1 year, which can really help for the long-term investors' trust. So, a quick disclaimer before you check CrypGPT that this is for educational purposes only. I'm a financial advisor and always do not big research before thinking to invest in any crypto project. Without further ado, let's dive right in. And now we are on the coin market cap where we can see several key statistics about the token. So the first thing to look up is the current token price, which represents the latest trading volume based on the market activity across exchanges, and we can see the current price of the coin is $16.47, which is really amazing. Also, another important metric is the market capitalization, which is calculated by multiplying the token price by the circulating supply. Also, right here you can see the 24-hour trading volume, so which shows how much of the token has been traded within the past day. So you can see higher trading volume often indicates stronger market activity, and now right here you can see the volume in the last 24 hours are around 20 million. We can see in some places we can see it going over 20 million, which is really amazing thing to see. And now in the bottom left corner we can see 24 hours price movement including the daily high and low. So you can see, like I said, in the bottom left corner, in the last 24 hours the low was 16.27 and the high was 16.53. Also, the all-time low was 0.01103, so that's meaning this coin jumped a lot. So these types of data points are useful for the understanding the market behavior and trading activity surrounding a cryptocurrency. And now, like I said, we can see right here that the coin, like I said, is listed on the MEXC, Biconomy, and also the WEEX. But like I said, on the MEXC and Biconomy, people are already trading the coin. Exchange listings are important because they increase liquidity and accessibility, allowing more users to buy or sell the token, which is really important. Now let's take a look at the official CrypGPT website, which recently introduced a redesigned interface, which is a really cool thing to know. So the website outlines several components of the CrypGPT ecosystem, and now let's check it out. And right here you can see the roadmap for this coin. Right here you can see the Q3 of 2025 was the public launch and ecosystem foundation. So you can see right there that is showing a token launch, official website and white paper release, global community building campaigns, and also we didn't mention that listing on CMC, CoinGecko, Coin360 and the Coin Bubble. We can see the Q4 of 2025 is made for exchange listings and AI rollout. After that, we can see phase 1 of Q1 of 2026 is made for AI intelligence and their expansion. So you can see everything right here for the multi-language CrypGPT chatbot AI. We are going to check that later. After that, we can see Q2 of 2026, which is made for payment and advanced AI systems. Also, right now you can see Q3 of 2026 is made for utility and engagement layer. Also, Q4 of 2026 is made for the full ecosystem maturity. And right now you can see the Q1 of 2027 is made for governance and DeFi expansion. Also, Q2 of 2026 is made for global adoption and AI evolution. So you can see second AI 2.0 upgrade. Right now you can see that, and also global merchant network expansion via CryptoGPT Getaway, which we're going to check later. So one of the planned features is an AI chatbot system designed to assist users with crypto-related questions and Web3 interactions. So this concept is similar to AI assistants used in other platforms like, let's say, ChatGPT, where machine learning models help users understanding complex topics more easily. Also, after that, we have payment gateway and crypto cards. So another future feature mentioned on the website is development of the crypto payment cards. So these cards could allow users to make payments globally using cryptocurrency, similar to how traditional debit cards are used, and that is really amazing thing to have right now, which if it's implemented successfully, this could expand the practical use of the crypto for everyday transactions, which can be really amazing. The project also mentions plans to develop its own blockchain network. So large blockchain ecosystems like Ethereum, BNB chain, and Tron operate their own networks, so which allows developers to build decentralized applications on top of them. So CrypGPT long-term goal is to appear to include building a similar infrastructure, which can be really amazing stuff. Also, another planned feature is the launch of the centralized crypto exchange operated by the CrypGPT platform. So this exchange would support features such as spot trading, futures trading, corp trading, and as well as traditional financial assets like commodities. So if it's completed, this could become one of the major components of the CrypGPT ecosystem, which is truly amazing. And right here you can see they are available on the CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, CoinCodex, PancakeSwap, BCC Scan, Trust, MetaMask, and Crypto.com. And right here we can also verify the token data directly on BCC Scan, so you can see which tracks blockchain transactions and token information. So from this page we can see total token supply, number of holders, token distribution across wallets, and blockchain explorers like BSC Scan provide transparency by allowing anyone to verify token data directly on the blockchain. Right here you can see amount of holders is went to just over 100,000, which is really amazing. You can see total amount of transfer that happened is close to 500,000, and also total supply, which is 750 million, which is really amazing. Also you can check the price of the coin on chain market cap and everything else. And right here you can see more things directly about coin. So you can see the token name, you can see supply is 1 billion, after burn is going to be 750 million, which is right now. Also you can see the symbol, network is BNP20. Also you can see amount of decimals, and by scrolling down we can see distribution of this coin. So first thing first is marketing, which is 10%, ecosystem development going 20%, staking and rewards 15%, burn is 25%, reserve is 5%, AI contribution DAO is 5%. Also, investors and team advisors are also both 10%. And right here you can see the all lock information. So you can see the current locked amount is 550 million CrypGPT tokens are locked. So you can see amount of that is 73.33%. Also, by clicking via token info website, we can see that it's holding by the pink sale, and just in a few seconds we can see that this is happening right now. This is real from their website link. So you can see right now by scrolling down we can see the current locked amount, like I said, is 550 million. So you can see that the pink sale is holding really big amount of the coin, which is really important for long-term investors. And right now we're on their official Twitter profile, and we can see, like I said, crypto listing are. So you can see, like I said, on the March of the 16th, we can see the new listing is coming, which is, like I said, the BingX. So this is really huge thing to know. And we can see by scrolling down, this post made a lot of impressions. It made over 20,000 views, which was really fascinating to see, because it is meaning people are really interested to see what they have to offer right now. You can see they're really in love because of this listing is happening on this exchange right now. And also this is one really important post to see right now from the CrypGPT, that they're talking burn update for the March of 2026. So right now you can see the total burn amount so far is, like I said, 250 million. So latest burn, like I said, is 50 million, which happened on the March of 12. So you can see right here, the token burning reduces the circulating supply and helps strengthen the long-term value of the ecosystem. So you can see this post made also really good amount of impressions, and you can see a lot of likes. So it's meaning people are really interested and in love with this mechanism that is happening, or let's say with this burn event that happened. And right now we are looking at their official Twitter page, which have almost 50,000 followers, and you can see right now they made over 200 posts, which is really amazing stuff to see, because that is meaning they're really active on the Twitter, which is really important for the social media, or let's say for any project to be active on social media, especially when it's crypto, to be active on Twitter. So by scrolling down we can see what are they posting. Their first post is pinned on the February of 26. You can see something about listing. This is official about listing on Biconomy.com. So you can see that is available for the people to trade, and and everything else. So you can see this post made over 20,000 impressions, which is really huge thing to see right now. We can see by scrolling down more things about this. We can see the latest post was 3 hours from now. We can see this post is made in good impressions for the start. So you can see this is explanation on how to buy this coin, but again, this is not financial advice, and this is just strictly educational, and you need to do a big research before thinking to do something like that. So that is it. By scrolling down, we can see some reposting from them also, and by scrolling down we can see more things on how to buy actually CrypGPT on the Biconomy, which is really good thing to see. That is one video from almost 2 minutes that is showing how to buy this step by step. So I highly recommend to anyone who is interested to check their Twitter profile and their social media, because you can stay updated with everything that is happening, and which is the most important thing in first place. So this is it from CrypGPT. If you found this background helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts and comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.